Blizzard. Yeah. Gotta do this shit. Y'all know it too. I'm not alone in this shit. I know I'm not alone in this shit. Come on, ho, it's that real pain music, bitch, got me mad. It's lost time, think about my dad, got me mad. In the blizzard, I don't even get to see that snow. Going through this pain, got me thinking about my little bro. Come on, damn, bitch, you can't tell me for real. When I send you a message, you hate on me still. Got me lost, got me feeling like I'm in that Silent Hill. Damn, I know it's in my mind. Living in that blizzard, fuck it, no, I'm on my own. I think about these bitches, like damn, tell these niggas come to get up with. While I'm living the business bliss, call me a psycho. Tell that bitch, give me back my bitch, I ain't a kid no more. I gotta up that skull. While in the night, it feels so cold. Even though I'm on my own, I gotta go. Damn, I gotta get my bro, he had that dough. I told that bitch, leave me alone. You know I gotta get it on. Come on, don't even ask me, bitch, just the pain. Got me lost, it's lost. You ask me why I'm the same. Come on, you know I keep it moving. You in my thought, you know your son's a boss, and I gotta get it on. I got much pain, they envy, and I ain't got no envy. Bitch. Got me living up in this bliss, you know I gotta get it on. You know that I'm on foe, you know I gotta get it on. Shit, bitch, you know that. Living up in this bliss, so y'all niggas to get them with. Y'all can't touch my flow, y'all fuck niggas better get up there. I'm still rolling up this spliff, you know it's for you, OG. You got me missing the fuck out you, dog. Ran dog, I ain't know I ran dog. And I told you, you know I'ma keep it dropping. I told you I ain't gon' have no hesitation on my bro. Come on, you know I had to get it on. Who had that dough? So many niggas at that door. I might just ask if you got that snow, I might let them in that door. But if you open that door, you gon' feel that wind hit you. Tell God to be with you when you feel that wind hit you. Bitch, got me living up in this blizzard. Damn, it don't matter, I still see forsaken pain on my hands. I say damn, shit, I gotta keep going on throughout this long time. I keep going on with my rhymes, nigga, every time. I can't even count how many battles I lost, man. In the streets, in the trap, in my mind. For real though. And it don't matter. Cause nigga, you still here. That's another trend. Even while you in this bliss. That real pain music, me in that winter contender. That pain is up me. While I'm in that winter contender. Gotta keep moving, gotta keep aiming with my iron. You know I'm dang, so I'm mad. Niggas know I miss my baby. I miss my dad, we was riding in that Impala. White Chevy 2006. Yeah, my dad kept it on. Bitch, better pick up a brick. Hold up, no pen. You know I'm a foe, even though I'm sick, you know I'm spent. Goddamn, how many times I got it in? Man, I miss my dad, but I gotta get it in. Come on, shit. I'm living up in this bliss. Goddamn, girl, you got me living up in this bliss. I'm fucked up. Know my name, I gotta keep it on. Come on, I couldn't even fuck with you, even if I wanted to. Stupid ass questions, you ask again, I gun at you, and that shit for real. I gotta keep going, I know my direction. Stay away from that bitch, stole my heart. Goddamn, bitch, it feels like you left me at the start. Ever since she stole my heart, it's like I've been at the door. I'm living up in this blizzard. I say it don't matter. Cause that winning contingency shit. I said, I know I'm not alone. Even if I don't get a chance to see that snow. Shit. You can't blame me. Come on. Gotta get this shit in every time.